Hi, I'm back. This is Charles with ChitChatChannel. Now, I wanted to continue from here. This is where we stopped. Remember, we've already this video two. We have built the channel. We've actually created the channel space on the platform. And this is your channel number 1804.1. You can give it to anybody to look for it. But guess what? They won't be able to join it yet because here you see your channel is closed. So yeah, sometimes you can leave it closed while you're building your channel, but when you want to go public, when you want people to start accessing it, you have to make it open. And to make it open, just click there. You see, it becomes available. Everything, it changes here, right? So, but we're going to leave it closed for a second for now. Delete, of course, is when you want to delete your channel. You don't want to do that. This is your Tim Banks. Remember, this is your presenter. You can change that. You can put a name. You can put your name. You can repeat the channel name, or like a Tim Banks Boutique, presented by Tim Banks Boutique, right? Now, let me proceed. Now, this thing I've clicked on here is an FAQ, just a quick guide. It explains it a bit more, but I don't want to show, so I click on not showing future. And when I refresh this page, let's see, how do I refresh my browser? When I refresh this page, it will go away. Okay, that is refresh button. So when I refresh the page, it goes away. So it's not in my view. And I'm using a phone because, like I said before, a lot of people use your phones at night in your bed. You can do anything. You can do it on the road. You can do it when you're in the bus stop. You can do it anywhere rather than having a laptop. But of course, if you're using a laptop, all the features will show on top rather than in this place. So let's proceed. Now, first thing I want to do is let's see what we did. We put that, right? We'll put that. Let's go to view channel because this is where you start getting to view it. Okay. So right now, this is the first page. On this page, if you had any participants, they would show up here. You know, this is where you want to see all your users. And we're going to invite somebody first. So in this video, we're going to also invite somebody so that they can join the channel. You see how they join it and how to invite people. Then we'll go ahead to build it. But first, let me introduce to all these things here. Edit is where we were before. If you hadn't filled this out, to fill out the information, you can do that there. Group, this is if you have like, your channel, you have assistants, you have people helping you. If you're a school, if you're people use it for different things. If you're using this as a group, you can have admins. This is where you create that. You'll be able to select. Well, I'll show you once we have a participant. And history is you'll be able to tell what they post on your channel. So if you have an assistant, you have someone helping you, they can post and you can see what exactly they posted. Content is building it, and we'll come to that. So first, let's just quickly go back here and invite somebody. I just want to invite somebody so we can invite, let's say, somebody. So what you do is you go to your inbox. You would have had a lot of friends in your email. You know their emails. You get some emails. Put them in here. You can invite. Once you hit invite, what happens is that invitation is sent. Now we have actually, and there are other ways too. I'll show you different things, but we have already ChitChatChannel already presets a message that will be sent. Let me show you how that message will appear. So you've invited somebody. See it on top. Greetings. You've invited. Oops. We just did this right now. Bill, right? That was the email. Tim Bank, that is you. The name you had there for your channel has invited you to view their channel number 1804.1. Tim Banks Boutique. Click here to get started. So this is a custom message sent to anybody you invite. So you can, invite 100 people, 50 people, 10 people a day. Just take your time, invite people, your friends. You don't have to start calling them, hey, I'm doing this, come and do. Just invite them. They'll get it from you and they'll say, oh, what's that? And they'll join and they click here to join. When they click here, they have to log in. So let's log in as somebody else. So I've logged into, this is a different channel. And I say, all right, Tim Banks invited me. His channel was 1804.1. Let me join it. They click on 1804.1. And it shows up. But it says the channel is unavailable. Oh, I forgot. I didn't make it public. So you have to make it, when you invite people, make sure you make it public so they can join, right? You know, they can also search by your name. What's the name of your business? Tim Banks Boutique. You can just write Tim Banks. See what will happen is all the Tim Banks. Okay, Tim Banks has different channels, but the boutique shows up here. Tim Banks has something else. Or a different Tim Banks has that 1752. This is so anybody Tim Banks will show up. The same way if you searched, if they come to your channel and search for your boutique name, whatever you had put, boutique, and they search all the boutiques on the platform. These are different people's boutiques, right? They show up, and yours is there as well. So we're going to make it, I'm going back to our own. We want to make it available so people, I want someone to join. Hope you're with me so far. Let's make it available. Then let's go back to the other one and let them search for you again, and they can join. You see how it is? Remember, this view summary is what you had put in there. If you'd put in something, you know, we didn't put in anything, right? So it's not cool. You have to take your time, write something nice so people can feel inspired, because this is all they know of you. They can look at your picture, they can look at this, and they can join. But before we join, one last thing. Let's search by GPS. They can say here, oh, let me look for all the boutiques in my area. And they'll say, or all the businesses, all they do have to do is hit GPS search. So when they hit this, you can give it a radius, say 43 kilometers, anything you put on the scroll bar, right? 63 kilometers. And they search. And it will pull up all the channels close to them. And if yours is among them, that's why you always have to fill in your address and all that, where I showed you, right? So let's go back and say 180. Can't even remember. What was it? Let's just say boutique. Okay. BOU tick. And they search and they find the boutiques, right? And they join yours. So we've joined. And they can drop it at any time. This person, this user, is a different user. Name is Tito. Can join, he can drop it. These are all the channels. And by the way, when you join ChitChatChannel as a participant, all the channels you kind of subscribe to are the only things you see when you log in. You're not going to see the whole batch. You're just going to see those you shortlisted and those you joined, and these are the ones this user has joined. So I'm going to go back, and that's our test account, one of our test accounts. So let me go back. This is you, right? View channel. Boom. See, Tito is joined. Right? You can see the date. You can block Tito. You can kick them out. We use kick out as them. And you can send them an SMS, not SMS, a message, just like Facebook type message, messenger type thing. Right? So we're going to proceed. Now this is blank, and I think I should end this video here. When we come back, we're going to show you how you're going to build a channel, which is what I'm sure you will want to really know right now. How you're going to build it, how you're going to put your pricing, how you're going to do all that. Okay? Thank you.